Hello guys, this is Mac Elbs. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo paano mag-join dito sa program na APS or Ascending Profit System ng Unity Network. So, just for information, yung APS is another program na created by Unity Network, and the founder of this program is si Coach Edward Reformina. So, isa po siyang kilalang online Filipino marketer. And nakaka-inspire din tong story ni Coach Edward. So, a college dropout, naging OFW rin. Then after that, ginawa niya yung negosyo. Okay, nag-start siya ng online business. And to cut the story short, isa na po siyang internet millionaire ngayon, considered sa Pinas po. So today, ang goal ko is to teach you how to join this program, APS or Ascending Profit System. So ito po yung sales page nila kung nakikita nyo. So 10 steps training program and business system. So anong makukuha nyo sa APS once you join? So ito yung mga benefits na makukuha nyo. Total of 6 benefits na makukuha nyo dito sa program na to. So number 1 is yung 10 steps training. So, ituturo nila dito step by step paano magsimula at kumita ng 1,000 commission, 2,000, 7,000 or up to 11,000 commission. So yung value pala nitong training na to is worth 10,000 pesos po. Okay, so number 2 benefits is yung magkakaroon ka ng one-on-one coaching with your coach, which is very essential and very important po talaga yan sa isang business. Magkaroon ka ng sarili mong coach. Okay, so yung coach mo is i-guide ka talaga niya on how to do your business. Value nito is 10,000 pesos po. Number 3 benefit is yung done for you system, so or DFY, done for you system. So magkakaroon ka ng done for you system or automated system. Ang value nitong system na to is worth 20,000 pesos po. So the owner, Edward Reformina, is allowing us members to use this system for free. Okay, so value nito is 20,000 pesos. Yung number 4 benefit is yung payment and fulfillment system. So magkakaroon ka ng one of your product fulfillment, payment processing, and yung customer service. So just relax dahil wala ka ng ibang intindihin. So lahat ng payment processing sila nagagawa, tsaka may sarili silang customer service rin. So value nito is worth 10,000 pesos po. Okay, so number 5 benefits is yung sales team. So may sariling sales team yung APS. So magamit po din ang sales team namin, tutulungan kanila para makapag-close ng malalaking sales sa business mo. So total value nitong benefit is worth 10,000 pesos. And yung number 6 na benefit na makukuha mo is yung 30 TIP or the Training Implementation Program po. So ituturo nila dito yung 30 days traffic implementation program. Dito mo tutunan kung paano at kung saan ka makakahanap ng right customers sa business mo. So, total value nito is worth 10,000 pesos po. So, overall, makukuha mo dito is 70,000 po. Okay, pero hindi po tayo magbabayad ng ganong amount. See? Hindi kita sisingilin ng 70,000 pesos or 50,000 or hindi rin 20,000 pesos. So, ang pinaka-initial investment mo dito sa APS is yung one-time offer na or one-time fee na 2,990 pesos. Okay, so isang beses lang po yan. So, walang isipin na monthly bills or monthly recurring fees na babayarin. Pero just to take note po, may warning sila dito. So, limited lang ang application na tinatanggap nila kasi limited lang yung time ng mga coaches nila. So, once na napuno na yung slot, so hindi na sila mag-accept ng mga application or applicants. So, just in case decided ka to join this business, so all you need to do is just click this, apply now. Okay, so once na-click mo yan, apply now. Apply now. Okay, click natin. So, mapupunta ka dito sa registration page na to. Okay, so
Congratulations.
post ko ang video na to.
Congratulations.
So, okay, congratulations. We still have available spots for you. So, meaning to say, may available slots pa sila for you if you are decided to join. So, gagawin mo lang dito. So, make sure to check your referrer or sino sponsor si dito. So, yung makikita mo na pangalan. So, in my case, makikita mo yung pangalan ko, Alves Extension po. So, number 1, fill in your details. So, basic pa to. So, write mo lang yung name and last name mo. So, make sure to write your correct details po. Okay, so, contact number. So, assuming ito yung number mo, but make sure you put your correct details po dito. So, email, I suggest also to put your correct email kasi lahat ng details at information, especially yung login details, is isisend nila sa email na nilagay mo dito. Okay? So, after that, choose your way to pay. So, yung payment method mo, step 2. So, ang dami po nilang option dito. May PayPal or some Master and Visa card, Amex, Discover. Or kung may mga remittances rin, pwede rin via BDO and BPI. And yung ibang online payments or cash payments, itong Dragon Pay. So, marami po talang silang options. Okay, so, assuming you have chosen your own payment method, so assuming you're paying by Visa, then after that, okay, so ito, I agree with the terms and condition. Okay, click mo lang yan, make sure it will turn into green. Ito rin. Then, apply now. Okay, so click mo yan. So, dito sa right side, makikita mo rin yung mga benefits or mga yung products or yung benefits na makukuha mo once you purchase this product. Okay, so previously na-explain ko na po to. So, ito. Magkakaroon ng mga 6 benefits dito. So, lahat makukuha mo po yan. Okay, so if you decided, then one-time fee lang po to, then just click the apply now button po. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Okay, so just wait for the listing, the payment method or yung processing. So, assuming you are paying by the PayPal or credit card, so lagyan mo lang dito yung kung may PayPal card, just log in, or you can check out as a guest. So, click mo lang to if you're paying via a MasterCard po or Visa. Okay, check out as a guest. Then, all you need to do, make sure, okay, Unity Net Corporation. So, yan po yung binabayaran natin under Unity po. So, just complete all your details here. So, since ako nasa Singapore, so naka-auto na siya ng Singapore siya. Put your card number, and once you're using a credit card, basically, you know all these details that you need to put. Okay, so after you complete all the details, click mo lang to I confirm, then pay now. Okay, so I hope you have learned something in this video and you have been guided on how to join APS. So if you're watching this in YouTube, you can comment in the comment section below, and I'll be leaving also a Facebook link, yung Facebook ko po, just in case may question kayo, and you can just friend me on Facebook and send me a message po. Okay, so I hope you have a nice day or an evening. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching po.